I am Johan van der Werken, your instructor. We have built these courses for people who want to own their data, end to end. If you are serious about GA4, BigQuery and Dataform, this is where you start transforming your raw data into something that brings actual value to your organization.
At Zimmer, we focus on habits that compound. Clean SQL, thoughtful modeling, and pipelines you can explain to anyone.
Tools change, principles don't. We teach the principles that make your work dependable and respectable.
You are getting 3 complete courses: SQL Basics, Advanced Use Cases, and Automations and Integrations, all with GA4 data and Google BigQuery. You will get access to over 100 videos plus quizzes.
You will write SQL against the real GA4 export. You'll learn about arrays, unnesting, sessions, funnels, attribution, cohorts, and even LTV calculations. Practical patterns you'll reuse tomorrow.
After that, you'll operationalize. Dataform projects with incremental models, assertions and tests, documentation, and scheduled runs. You'll learn about integration to the tools your team already uses.
AI can draft a query for you, but it won't understand your business specifics, enforce best practices, or explain why a certain model is correct for your organization. With our courses, you will be able to tap into the transformational power of data.
You will get lifetime access, ongoing updates, and the Zimmer community, a private space to get feedback, compare approaches, and keep momentum.
Walk away with certificates of completion and the portfolio-ready work to back them up.
From beginners to experts.
Build with intent.
Enroll now and own your data.